Hey everybody, this is James, and today I'm keep working on my SQL skill because this is very basic for the data scientist interview. So I registered account for the DataCamp, and now I'm on the very end of the sections. So the purpose of shooting this video is basically keep myself on the track because I'm just gonna release this and have my stupid face. Everyone's gonna say so because I want myself looks good and also fulfill myself to basically keep myself on the track to finish all this SQL practice, which will help me to pass maybe first round, second round of interview to get to the third round. This afternoon, I'm just gonna interview Facebook for the first round phone screen, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know that they gonna interview you SQL for sure. This is very basic, so I'm practicing that right now, and the interviews this afternoon, 1:30. So hopefully, I will do well. Okay, let's just keep that on check. So first, let's see what we have over here. More aliens. Record SQL seems like if you divide integer, you get integer. So don't divide by integer if you want a double. Always put a dot zero. Make sure on that because the value for it doesn't like we expand, so we want to divide. Make sure that this one for number have the decimal. Okay, so you gotta keep a decimal for sure. I think either in the denominator or over here, denominator. Okay, first question. Get the count of desperate and multiply by 100. Get the percent of people who are no longer alive. Aliens result percent dead. Remember to use point. Okay, so it's gonna be select percent of deaths. What's that mean? So over here we get the names, birthday, and that day for this table, and not the film table. We don't use that yet. So over here, you get this percent of death. It said it's count of death day and multiply by 100, then divide by like count. Okay, so that percent. First, you're gonna count like how many people dead on the database. Because if you don't not dead, the death day is basically null. So you count for this one and multiply by 100. Remember the decimal point 1, which get it to a double, and divide by the total count. So better just keep everything in the capital. So I don't think it matters. Just keep things consistent. Sometimes they check on your readability of the coding. It's very important to keep it just organized. So where select the count dash day multiplied by 100.0 divided by count where people. Okay, select. So you want to from people table, right? No, it's not right. Count death day multiplied by 100 divided by count from people. Oh, forgot about the semicolon because you have this enter not in one row, so you need to add this semicolon. Still not right. First, oh, okay. So you do this, and you're gonna ask percent. You can type exactly this name. Otherwise, I don't think the program will let you pass. Let's see. So if you put that one, no right. Get rid of that. Bingo. Okay, second one. Get the number of year between the newest film and the oldest film. Okay. Aliens results are different. Let me see if I can do that. Select number of years. Let me think about this one. So I want to select number of years, which means I need to get the newest year and the oldest year's films. So you basically want to get, let's see what we have over here. Title release year. Okay, so you want to release here because you want to see that. I see. So you want the max year minus mean release year as aliens differences from film from the film table. Let's see if it's working. Oh, good, it's working. So it's 100 years. Wow, really, really. You got a film 1916? Oh, let's get the number of the decades of the film. Film's table cover aliens as a result number of decades. Top of your fraction should be enclosed in the parentheses. What's that mean? Let's see. So you want to select fields. Sorry about that. Let me say something. Get the number of decades. Let's see. Select. Now, film is a table. So number of decades. Films. Let's see. Oh, decades. Let's see. Okay. Release year. So number of decades. Film table covers. So how many decades? Do we have a decades table? I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, let's think about it. So decades is like basically 10 years. Okay, so basically you get I think you get this release year divided by 10. And you want decades, so it's gonna be an integer rather than the double. So you select this one as alien as which one, but let's finish this first. Decades from what do we have here? Field. Okay, select number of decades. The top half of your fraction should be enclosed in parentheses. What does that mean? Number of decades. Yes, I number of decades from films. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did that. So what's wrong? Table covers aliens. The results has number. Number of decades. Let's see. Okay. Select gotch gotch minus gotch gotch. Huh. I don't understand this one. As number of decades. Okay. Okay, better to keep that over here. Why? You got something maximum. Okay, percent of people no longer alive. Number of years between news O's. Oh, does that mean newest and oldest previous years? Let's try. If it is, I mean, this one is not very clear. I think that's what they mean. If that's what they mean. So if they ask like what's the oldest and newest years and divide by decades from few. No. Number of decades. 10. You want a double? No. Huh. What does number of decades mean? So, counts? No. Oh. Let's just show answer. Max year, mean year divided by number of decades from here. Yeah, that's what I need. Oh. I don't know how this one passed, but should like this. Forgot the semicolon. FIRMS. Yes. The answer. Max and min. Oh. So you actually ask between max and min years. How many years and number of decades divided by the 10 years. 10 decades. Okay. That's fair. Let's see how many we have over here. Order by. Okay. So basically I have that much left. And we have a Google like interview question over here. Basically Glassdoor review. They have like a SQL, which is kind of complicated. I don't know if I can comprehensive that for now. But there's some trade-off over here. Either I'm just gonna research this one and have that interview, or I can just try to finish as much as I can over here and try to go through interview. I think the difficulty level of this SQL is much harder than those guys provides over here. So let's just jump into it and see what I got over here. So in the Glassdoor, people asking, oh, I went to the Google data size challenge. SQL question was, you have a table where you have dates, user ID, songs ID, account. It shows at the end of each day how many times her history user has listened to a given song. This count is the cumulative sum. Okay, makes sense. You have the update of this on daily basis based on the seconds of table. That records in real time user listen to a given song. So let's say you get dates, user ID, song ID, and counts. So times, and basically you have to update this on a daily basis based on this a second table that records in real time the user listen to a given song. Okay, that's basically have another table have time. Basically, at the end of each day, you go to the second table and pull accounts of each sound, user sound combined, then add this count to the first table to the live. Okay, so second table is accounted for each sound, but I feel like this is records. It's about like how many times she listened rather than like the real time, like minutes or seconds. Let's keep reading. If this is the first time a user has listened to a given song, you won't have this in pair of lifetime table. So you have to create a pair there and then add to the count to the first day. Lots of ads related to machine learning question. Okay, this is irrelevant. Remove the answers. I think how to deal with this question? How to join? Basically, you get everything. Microworks have trouble updated statement. So, okay, current days today. User sum and count from select. Oh, I have no idea what's select everything. Q count or sum current T group by T user sum ID. This is one. Select a user, a some account, an account from user ID some ID count and from some you all select user ID some ID count and from daily where days equals to now. A group by users. Oh. Gosh, I don't understand this. I'll have to join. Okay, that's it. So let's pause for a second. Hey everyone, I'm back. Basically, what happened this afternoon. Uh, by the way, this is a very long pause. Sorry about that. If you didn't notice, like I took the 4 hour break. But during this period of time, like two things happened. First, the guy from Facebook, the recruiter, not actually called me. His phone's dead during the period of time we're supposed to have the conversation, and he said he's gonna call me after 6 Friday afternoon. And turns out this didn't happen also. But that's okay. The good news is I got my first offer from one of the company. They pushed me, asked me to sign next Monday. So I probably gonna sign. Haven't made the final decision yet. But now I'm just gonna finish this tutorial. Anything can happen. Hopefully they didn't change the offer. I need that one. But okay, let's finish this up. So I looked at the Facebook's interviews, SQL, SQL. I didn't really get it. My level of SQL is not that good yet. So what I'm just gonna do is before my steak is gonna be unfrozen, I'm just gonna finish this rest of my SQL training with the DataCamp. Okay, group by, let's say, I already know this one. Let's talk about group by. Oh, congratulations, you made it so far. Oh, thank you. Group by, let's say, default group by. I know basically like select type group by the reference years DESC. I don't know this. What's that mean? DSC. Okay, how do you think about group by sorts of column of text value by default? Alphabet. I think there's no nature. Yes, I think it's alphabet. Looks tricky. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Now, what you understand group by works, let give example to go. Give the name of people from people table and sort alphabetically. Okay. Select hips. That called people. Okay, it's name. From people table where order. Okay, it's not group by. Oh my god, I keep saying it wrong thing. Where order by name. Let's see if it's work. Oh, okay. Just have the name column. Oh, so which means I need to select everything. Oh, what's a hint? Select from group by. Oh, order by. There's no where. How about that? Bingo. Okay, next, get the name of people. Sort by birthday. Select name from people. Order by birth date. Good. Next one, get the birthday and the name of every person in the order where they was born. Okay. Select birthday. Select birthday. Select birth date from every person order they're born from people. Sorry, get distracted. Group order by birth date. No. Get the birthday and the name. Okay, so you want name two. How about now? Everyone. That's what I did. Birthday and name. THVITH. Select from all the Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. Oh, because I forgot here. Here we go. Forgot the semicolon of the second statement. Okay, third single columns two. Get the title of films released in 2000 and 2012 in the order they was released. Select title from films where release year in order by this year. Yes. Gather all the detail of all four films except those released in 2015 and order by the duration. Okay. Select. One second. Is that the Facebook guy call me? I'm just gonna pause. Wait. Oh, my buddy, he said he's in Philadelphia. I'm just gonna ask him to go for the geostorm with me. But anyway, let's test him. Sorry, I forgot you're Philadelphia this weekend. Enjoy. Select film everything. Select everything from films where release year not except those released. What is the not equals? Or let's try not equal to 2015 order by duration. I think it's oh, oh good. This is not order side. You guys see like smaller size and bigger size, smaller size, or whatever. Like you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, next one. Get the title and the gross earning from movies, which begin with the title M. Order is alphabetically. Okay, so you basically want me to select the title and the gross of the movie where title like begin with the M. Order by title. Let's see. Nah. Oh, forget from. Films. Title gross. Earning from movie. That's gross. Title like M. Get some hints. Slack from where title like. Do I need to quote it? I think so. Yes, I need to quote the M. Oh man, I'm so hungry. How many are we still left? A whole bunch. Okay, let's take a short break. I'm just gonna eat dinner first. See you guys a little bit. Okay, I'm back. Just finished my dinner. So steak. Okay, let's keep going. So order by over here to order results. Descending order, you can put the keywords descends of your order by. Okay, let's see. Select. So basically, just like change the order. Select get the IMDb score and film ID from each film from the review table. Okay, this is a new table. Let's restart the sessions. Select reviews. Select. Let's see what do we have over here. Make sure we get the right table name. Okay, select IMDb score and film ID from years where. Oh, actually, I just no need to wear order by score. IMDb score DESC descent basically should be alright. Yes. Calculate the title for each. Get the title of each film in reverse order. Select. So you get the titles, right? True. Okay, film from film title from film order order by title DSC. DSC. Okay. Order by reverse order. Oh, films. Get the title and the duration for each film in order to get the lines, duration, and shorting. Select title, duration from film. So longest short is basically just reverse order. Order by duration, descendants order. Okay. Good. let's see. Next one. Sorting multiple columns. Okay. Hmm. So basically, over here, we can sort by multiple columns like this, comma stuff, order columns important. First column first, order, that's sort the name, the order is important. So I think basically what it says is that if you want to get the birthday sorted and then get the name, the order is important for the columns. Okay, sort by the sort multiple columns. Remember, specify multiple columns to separate name by comma. Get the birthday, name from person, order by birthday. Okay, when they were birthed. Okay, so when they were birthed is sorted by the birthday, and alphabetically by name is sorted by name. So I think it should be like this. Order by from people table. Not right. Select something something from table, order by something something. Yeah, that's what I did. What's the answer? Oh, I spelled it wrong. H birthday. Good. Get the release year, duration, and the title of the film ordered by the release year and the duration. Select the release year, durations from how long we have been recorded. Nice. From and title. Maybe. From films ordered by year duration. So sometimes if you think about the query you're writing and then read the question the way how to describe. I mean, like I think it's better way is when you write the query and then you can translate it back to the language to explain to people. So for example over here, select the release year during say title from films order by years and duration. So if I try to translate it back, I would think, okay, I want to get the release year, duration, and the title for each films in a year order from earliest to latest, and then in order of like shortest to longest. Really, that's basically what it's saying. And later on, durations and title. Durations and titles and the release year, all the films, order by year and duration. Oh, release year, not year. Release year. Okay, next one. Get certification release year and title fields ordered by the certification and the release year. So select, let's see, certification. Is that okay? Certification. Type it. Certification from release year, title from films, order, release year. From order by certification. Good. Next one, get the name and the birthday of people, order by name and the birthday. Select names, birthday from people table, order birthday. Let's stop over there. Select name and birthday of people's order, name and birthday. Yeah, because my name is first. You spelled right. Take the hint. Name, birthday from people, order by name, birthday. Name, birthday. Yeah, it looks alright. Show the answer. Select name and birthday from people, order by name and birthday. Yeah, suddenly didn't let me pass. Don't know why. Get rid of this. Oh, names. Never know, huh? Group by. Okay, we're getting close, guys. Hang in there. Half, half left. So group by basically a concept is you want to chunk stuff in a small group so you can do aggregation in each group. That's mainly the concept. Usually you can group by like categorical value, 0, 1 binary value, or whatever like things you want to group by as long as it's a category. Excuse me, it's gonna take this phone call very quick. Hey everyone, I'm back. Sorry about the interruption of the call. So turns out the Facebook recruiter just called me. It's a Friday night, 8 p.m. We made the appointment at like he talk at the 6 p.m. So my bad, and I didn't realize he's on the West Coast because Facebook's on the California. I'm on the Central, so some miscommunication. Um, I thought he's on the Central, so 2 hours late. He called, so we got to talk tomorrow on Saturday. So hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so where we are right now. So group by select sex and the count from employee group by sex. Okay, so male have that much and the female have that much. For the count of sex, that makes sense because it's group by count max group by whatever. So every of the your aggregation like count or max or go is a group by. So this is after the front. So this is a very important aspect because that's how you do like summarize statistic or sometimes you want to do get some like quick number fast, So you use group by at the end. Let's say group by used for performance operation by column operation all at once, particular order by group. Yeah, that's right. Okay, group by practice. Let's see. Since I already did the first one. Get the release years and count of films releasing each year. Um, let's see. Get the release year and the count of films released in each year. So it's going to be select release year. And so you want count films. So films because each row is the one film. So you basically select everything from film table for each year. So each year is a one category. So you want to group by release year. Okay. The next one, get the release year and the average duration of film. Select release year, average, oops, average duration from films group by release year. Good. Okay, so you can see the release years over here. Oh, no, interesting. And average. But I'm kind of curious, like why it's not in order of like, you know what? Let's do another thing. Because it's supposed to be in order by years, right? So you want, let's order by release year. Now it's in the order nodes at the end. See? Can we just group by and order by? Sorry. Okay, we cannot do that. Anyway, I like it. Next one. Select release year and max budget. Budget from films. group by release year. So basically we want to get the release year and larger budget of all film group by release year. Max budget all the films group by. So basically it's like you want to show the year, you want to show the biggest budget of that year from that film table ordered by the release year. What's the trend? Did you select the release year column correctly? Think so. Oh, no summer. Come on. Okay. Select IMDb score. Count. 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 Sorry, I distracted. Count of films reviews. Where is that? Okay, so it's from review table, run table. I guess that film reviews on the film critiques. Number of critiques. Reviews. Group. Group by. IMDb. Zero group by clue correct. Select release year, max budget. From film group by release year. Oh, group by not release year. Group by IMDb score. Get the hint. Okay, I must miss something. Oh, reviews means everything, not the critiques number of. Okay, done. Okay, group by next to. Okay, tired. But I can finish it. Thank you for you guys. Stay with me. We are getting very close. Select order. Okay. Group by and order by at the same time. Nice. That's what I did. Release year. And the lowest. Grow. My favorite table films. Group by what? Group by per release year. Release year. Right. And then let's save some time. Language. And the total gross amount. So what's FM of each language? And maybe type same speed. Select country and total budget. Each country. Some budget from films grouped by country. Nice. Select release year and country and the highest budget you did get. That's high. Spell budget from that film tables. Making film each year. Get the release year country and the highest budget spent making for a film for each year. So you want to group by release year and sort the results order by release year and the country. Release year, country, max budget, making film each year, each country. Done. I don't want to save it. Get the country release year and lowest amount. Whew. Okay, let's finish this one. Select country release mean gross. Loads the gross from this film table. My favorite tables. Per year. So you want to group by release year, right? And the per country order by country and the release year. Great. So let's describe this one. We want to select the country release year and the lowest gross of that each film in for each year, each country in order of country and the release year. Okay. Having a great time. What's that mean? In SQL, aggregate function cannot use in where clue. For example, the follow query is invalid. Select release year and field. Group by release year where the count title greater than 10. This means that if you want to filter based on results of aggregate function, you need to by another way. This is having clue, how to pronounce this word. Clue. Class. Okay, class. where the having clause comes in. Okay. So it basically changed just where to having. 10 film released for this year which have more than. So basically you group first and then change the word to having, and then this is kind of like a condition filter in R, and show only the years which have more than 10 films released. Okay, let's see. How many different years was more than 20? Okay, this is challenging. Check it out. So it's asking how many different years was more than 200 film released. So this is a practical question. So let's see. First, we want to select the release year, right? If it, I just picked, but if I don't look at that, those years which are more than 10 film from the film table, where, so I want to go by release year. And having each title. Wow, this is tricky. If he just tell me this sentence, I probably won't be able to write this code, but I'm practicing, so I'm getting there. Title greater than how many different years with more than 200 films. So I basically want to count the films titles more than 200. Hope this is right. How many different years? And I want to count the, not release years, I want to count years. Yes. Group by years. So I want to count how many rows basically of that data frame. Let's think about it. It's not count release years. Select. Oh, this is hard one. Select. Oh my god, this is gonna be fun, man. So I'm just gonna do very simple, very cool. Basically, I'm just gonna leave it over here, and then I'm just gonna do select from. I think I started getting the Google interview question level. Release year, right? So you basically want to go by. This one doesn't matter because it's gonna aggregate release year and having count title within 200 within 200 title. But over here you get rid of those ones. And you basically select like count how many rows. Okay. Select release year. Yeah, this part I'm not quite sure I can do that. Okay. I basically want to count No? I think I got him pretty close. Okay, let's just go back to the storage. Still release here. Let's count how many rows. Maybe I can just do like this. Oh, crap, I need to count the rows. So this is return data frame we know. Okay. Can we just do like select and the count of film? I think this one should work. It's not. Uh, Obviously I'm missing something. Let's just step by step. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13. Okay. Let's figure it out next time. There's gonna be a way to aggregate it, like in R. Time to practice the group by order by group by having together. Okay, I'm prepared for that. You're going to write a query that return the average budget. Okay, I think the lab will start to getting difficult. Average budget because the description is not that straightforward. And that's supposed to be in the real world. So select the average budget and average gross. Okay, we're getting there. Please stay with me. 1 hour. We're getting very, very close. From films, my favorite tables. Where, because you cannot wear having the budget gross is more than $16 million. So basically, you got those two, right? And then you want to know like return average budget, average gross for the films group each year, group by release year, having average budget. Average budget greater than 60 million. Pick card. I don't think so. Release your correct column. So I'm going to write going to return average budget in the field for films in each year. Oh, group by having release year greater than that 1990. If the release, if the average budget is greater than, let's bet the budget, right? BOD budget. Yeah, I got the budget right. Get the gross right, right? Get the film, get the release here. What's the taking here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is not what I expect. Average budget. Let's see the answer. Oh, this is like step by step. I didn't realize that. Let's just keep this. Is that the way to comment? This is like this. How to comment? So usually I would do is I open a browser and then I type the translator. It's basically sort of a purpose of a text editor. It will get rid of all the format. Okay, let's just select. I did everything at once, but let's see. Release year. View budget gross on film table. Modify card so that's under return. Where this year greater equal 1990. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's not including 1990. Budget gross column remove group results by group by release year. This one will not work because where? See? Modify code to add the average budget, average gross earn. Budget, average gross. Alien to results average budget as budget as average gross. Oh, like that. It's average budget, average gross. as average budget. Yeah, I did that one. So I actually did it right. So what's the problem? Let's see. Release an average budget as average budget, average gross as average gross. Lowercase? I don't think so. Oh, from films. There we go. Motherfucker says only year with average budget greater than 60 million. Having average budget 6 billion, $60 billion. Only year. Where 60 billion included. Select the average budget, which one? And take order. With average budget of greater than 69. So, get it. So basically select years, average budget, have a rows of rows from fields where so basically it suggests this guy having should be here, grouped by release year, and another having. Let's say average budget. Which then you gotta make set points over here. Well, it's still not right. Your budget is budget of films we have released year greater than. Go by release year average budget. Really, I mean, like, why you need that one though? Just what you want. Having still not right. Release average budget. Oh, oh, great. Finally, modify correct to all the results but highest the average gross to lowest. Order by average gross. TSC is the sentence. Great. Okay. Okay, guys, let's take a short break. You know what? We got two more left. Let me show you guys. Okay. 84%. Almost there. Let's finish those two. So great work. Now try another large query time. All go one go. If you certain number limit. Okay. Get select country average budget average course. Let's see as BUD budget. That's their budget, right? Okay, yes. Average average gross take of countries that have made more than 10 films. From films where count country more than 10 films order by country name. Limit number of results. Limit equals to 5. Country budget grows from film where country more than 10 films. Order by country. And let's see. Films. Oh, forgot the group by. Group by. So because here you have a group by because you want to aggregate the countries, so you need to group by country first. And since we group by, then we need to use having rather than have. And you need to limit, not equal sign, limit 5. You just type this. Say that again. Group by 5, group by country, having count title. Oh, 10 film, so it's ordered by title, not the country. And order by country. Let's see the results. Country, budget, okay, film, country, count, country, 5. That's what I did. Country, budget, film, country, title. Oh man, I'm so tired. That's why I'm getting kind of crumbly. Zombie mode. Let's see. Title, group by country, limit by 5. Well, it's not right. Did you select the country column correctly? Did I spell that wrong? country, group by country. Film, country, count. Oh my god, I'm tired. But I will power through it. Having count 10 order by country. Oh, I got two limits. That's why. Really need some rest, man. Okay, I will do that. I can do that. Film, more than 10 film. Okay. Last one. A taste of things to come. Congratulations to make the end. You should have a good basic. Okay, basic of SQL. We have a part two talking about the advanced SQL. I'll show you guys. No more concern going to intro. You have to notice the results, probably insert something we need to talk about. We have more than one to query. Before, if you want to say scope of particular movies, you want to get the ideal movie from film table and then you get a film from the review table. And because it comes in join. Okay, let's join something. Basic join should be kill. Oh, a mockingbird. Select this from view, join review, select title and the score of film, join review on film ID then equals to film ID equals to reviewer ID where the title get to Q a mockingbird. What are the rates of Q mockingbird are? Okay, rate. What rate does suspect the results? 8.4. Yeah, he didn't ask me to do anything though. Done? Where's the okay? So I get this basic SQL one. Where is that advanced? That's a good question. I'm just gonna search more. See advanced. But meanwhile, I'm downloading my certification. Chen Chohan. Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you. Let's save it and Academy Docs. Certificate. You know what? I'm just gonna save over here. Basic SQL. Okay. Everyone can just make a. You know what? 4 million people did that. Really? Anyway, let's go back. So, okay. Now my question is, where is the SQL for advanced? But anyway, guys, if I cannot find the SQL advanced, let me try to find it first. I will find it in a W3 school or something to talking about the more join to show you guys how I did that. And thank you for patience. I know it's been like 1.5 hours or more. But stay tuned. I get back to you next time to talking about advanced SQL and some of the interview questions from Facebook or whatsoever about SQL. Those things you want to like make them right because it's very, 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 very important to know, you know, like SQL. This is super basic. So again, I'm paid user of DataCamp. I'm not trying to promote them. I just happen to have this one. Okay, so they didn't talk about anything about the advanced SQL. I'm just gonna ask them where's advanced SQL. Seems not finished yet, but I let you guys know. Oh, is that here? I think this is advanced. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna talking about this one. 5 more hours. Great. That's the meat. Yeah, that's the meat. PostgreSQL. In my part two video about like how to use SQL, and I'm just gonna do this one, and hopefully you guys stay with me. Okay, I'm just gonna probably share my basic. It's kind of shame to share on the LinkedIn, but I guess I'm just gonna do that first. The certifications. Yeah, you know what? Share and update. Basic SQL. Ah, it's not. Nah, let's do that. So shame. Like my friends can say, "Oh, you don't know SQLs." You know what? Yes, I don't know that well. I'm trying to get everything done. Plus, where's my post anyway? Okay, for you, all you guys know like that. My Chinese name is Chen Chou Han, and my working all other names are like James. I go with James for all my things. But just let you guys know, I just call myself James. It just feel right to call myself James. Where is that things I just post? Okay, I guess I where is that? Let's see, activities. I must post. Okay, all activities. Okay, 1 minute ago. Okay, so tomorrow I'm just gonna keep going for this join data for post SQL. That's the meat. So stay tuned, guys. I see you next time. Peace.